Hi everyone, just here to unbox DJI Mic Mini charging case. Now, there's probably other unboxings and reviews and things on the Mic Mini, but people may not be aware that you can actually buy the microphone by itself, you can buy the case by itself, and you can buy the transmitter and microphone by itself. I don't think you can buy just the transmitter by itself, but I could be wrong on that. So I've basically done it that way. I was using the mic by itself before. I'll just get one of the mics. That's one of the mics there, one of the black ones. Now, you can use this with Bluetooth directly to some phones. I've got Samsung and Google Pixel 8 Pro. You can't use the Bluetooth direct with the Google Pixel 8 unless you're doing it into something like the sound recorder. In the Samsung, on my S23, it seems to work on everything direct. You don't even need to use the receiver. But the receiver, if you do direct Bluetooth, you don't get any of the noise cancellation or advanced features. So you get that with using the receiver. So you do get a better sound by using the receiver, but you've got to work out whether carrying that extra bulk is worthwhile. But anyway, I'll put this aside because I'm going to split this into a couple of videos. I'm also going to show you how to pair it to, I'll use probably my Google Pixel later. But anyway, we'll just get on with this unboxing for the mini case. I'll put this, I'll get this out, see what's in here. So in the box you get, obviously the charging case, you get some paperwork, probably warranty and other information. Probably some codes so you can download the app. I can't read that. That one's in Chinese, but it'll have English in there as well. And then you obviously get the case, so we'll get that out. Looks like they put it in a bag as well. Okay, everything DJI has seems to have bags. When you buy the microphone, you'll get a bag by itself. I'll show you that in another video. But okay, so yeah, it's quite a nice, quite well padded, this bag. Okay, I'll just stick that there. Okay, this is quite neat, quite small. Get it out of the plastic covering. Okay, so you've got USB-C. Now, I don't know whether this will do out. Perhaps a lot of these things now you can actually use to power other things, but I don't know whether this will do that. Okay, so we want to take off this sticker, put that aside. Okay, so you basically press the button to open up. You've got room for transmitter. Actually, let's get these over here and have a look. So, okay, well that shows me that you can't leave that on when you're going to put the transmitter. That's the adapter for your USB-C on your phone or tablet or whatever. So it seems like, yeah, okay, it's got a spot for that there. That's good. It seems like that sits in there fine. It's and yeah, quite good. Okay, so yeah, this is I've just bought this by itself, so keep that in mind. But I'll try this out. That's what you get in the box. Looks like you've got room for your two mics, your transmitter, one or two adapters, so Lightning or this for Apple or this one for USB-C. Looks like there's enough room for a cable in there too, but you can also have the microphones with your dead cats on there, so that's quite handy. And it's not very big. What would I say? Probably a little bit bigger than a cigarette packet, on a pack of 20s or something like that. It's not very big, small enough that this could go in your pocket. So that looks quite good. So thanks for watching, and Look out for the next video, which I'll show on pairing, and I'll also open up another mic because I bought a white one, so I'll do that now as well. So thanks for watching. See you soon.